Now in quality management, you need to modeling process quality, and the topic is modeling process quality. What is this? The variation is the major reasons of existence. There are two types of variations. The first one is common cause variations, and the second one is special cause variations. Now, what is common cause variation? It is also known as natural patterns, random variations, noise, non controllable variations, inherent variations, or within group variations. They are routine and quantifiable in nature. The source of the variation is normal and expected. They are predictable, and a single source cannot be identified, affected from multiple small factors. Now, the characteristics of common cause variations. First one is irregular, multiple factor responsible, predictable, and quantifiable. Now, the reason of common causes variation, here it is: inappropriate and unstandardized procedures, and inappropriate working conditions like noise, dirt, extra high or low temperatures, improper ventilation, bad light, etc. Poor designs, inadequate machine maintenance, routine wear and tear, quality control and measurement error, error in manual or computer response time and settings. Now, special cause variations. It is also known as unnatural patterns, exceptional or assignable variation. They are unusual and non-quantifiable variations. They are caused by a known factor and cause a fundamental change in the process and can be traced back to a single source. Now, the characteristics of special cause variation. The first one is unpredictable, new, and unanticipated. Second one is mostly single factor is responsible for variations. Third one is known factor, and fourth one is quantifiable. Now, the reason for special cause variables. The first one is worker negligence, like asleep, moved from the place, or talking to someone while working. Second one is problem in machines. Third one is computer or power failure. Fourth one is low quality of raw material, and the fifth one is new operators. Now, what is the pattern of variation? After knowing about the two types of variation, the questions how to identify these variations in a running process. The run charts are one of the measures which can be taken to identify the variations. So what is run chart? Run chart, it is a graphical display of data over time. These are used to visually analyze process according to time or sequential order and help in assessing discovering patterns in data process stability and diagnose the problem for taking the appropriate actions. The charts are prepared by taking the measurement of product, service, or process for analysis for a reasonable period of time. After proper calibration, the data is collected and documented in sequential order from start to end. A sufficient number of observations must be taken for proper result. Here is the some run charts for the equations.